ladies, for my lady, for my sister, my quick. It's for my ladies, for my lady, for my sister, my quick. It's for my ladies, for my lady, for my sister, my quick. It's for my ladies, yeah.
If it's ghetto, Walmart, okay? Kids running around, Walmart. We don't do that at Target, okay? What's up, everybody? Hey guys, so today is September the 21st, and today is my boo birthday. Jazz, my sis, my baby, my day one. You know, today is her birthday, so we're going out to dinner to celebrate her birthday. Ashton's staying home to watch the kids, and I'm going out. It's 4:44. 4:44. I need to put it in the lottery, okay? Because 4 is just keep coming to me, like 444. You know, just keep coming to me. But so yeah, so I think I'm gonna run to Target because I'm gonna get Jasmine a Target gift card and a birthday card. I was gonna make her some cupcakes, but I was so exhausted that I didn't get a chance to make them. So I'll probably make her some this weekend, you know, some cupcakes. But we're going out to dinner. Her boyfriend is throwing her a dinner party at Ocean Prime. So we're going there, which I'm excited to eat some good food. Hopefully the food is good because it is expensive. I was looking at the menu like, but I was looking at the menu to get an idea of what they have. But I know I'm gonna get filet mignon. And I think I'm gonna get their lobster loaded mashed potatoes and their mac and cheese, which all of that is gonna be like $94. So I'm gonna spend tip and stuff. I'll probably spend $120, $130 there, with tip and stuff like that, you know. But you know, so you know, I'm excited to see what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna take you guys along so I can show y'all what I'm eating and all. You know, I'm trying to see. I need to get my life. I need to edit these vlogs. Like I keep filming stuff, but I'm never posting it, and I just need to get my life and start posting stuff so I can be. So Adonis is in timeout because I just put out some new crayons and he just over there breaking them just for fun. So he is in timeout because he's breaking crayons. Like I just put those crayons out, they brand new, and he just breaking them for fun. So I had to put him in timeout. Maya, she is coloring and having fun and singing, as you can hear. I'm gonna go to Target, get the gift card, grab the kids some snacks, and I really need to do my pantry. I'm excited to do it. I got my label maker, so I'm excited to do my pantry. Yeah, so we gonna see y'all. So I got my husband do-rag on, y'all. But yeah, so I did. So we get our I just put a down payment, well not a down payment but a deposit down for our side and our sprinklers, which we had to go through 2 different companies because the side people don't do sprinklers and sprinkle people don't do side, you know. But I think the quote was reasonable. Like all together with the side and sprinklers, we're gonna end up spending $4,500. So not too bad. Oh, and now we have a big ass backyard. We got, you know, so not too bad. But so I'm gonna see you guys once my husband get done taking his bath. I am gonna run to Target and get the gift cards, get her our birthday card, and yeah, so I'll see you guys at Target, and I'll see you guys at the restaurant, which is like at 7 o'clock. It's about to be 5 o'clock, so I got a couple hours to get there. I'll probably leave out about 6:40 because it's not too far from my house. Ocean Prime is not too far from my house, so yeah. So I will see you guys at Target. Bye. All right, y'all, I'm in Target and I'm out of breath, y'all. But yeah, so we're gonna find her birthday card. And I want to see if they have these containers for Maya closet, so I can kind of organize her bedding in her closet. But let's see, do they have like a birthday card for her, and we get her birthday card. Granddaughters, oh, sister birthday card. All right. See my sister who knows me. I mean, yeah. Birthday cards. All right. Oh, I love this one. Oh my god, this is so perfect for her. Like, this card is so perfect for her. So I'm gonna grab her this one. Like, that was quick and fast. Like, this card like really relates to her. So I didn't grab her a Target gift card so I can put it in there. Okay. That card is cute. Birthday card, happy birthday. Grab her this. So I'm gonna grab her this Target card. And this is going pretty fast, y'all. I didn't think it was gonna be this fast. But, cause I be taking all day reading through all the dang on cards, y'all. But like the first card was a hit, okay? It was a hit. You would have thought I wrote it. Okay, so let me see if they have those containers. And if they do, I'm gonna grab 2 of them. So I already have 2 at the house. I'm gonna grab 2 more for her. This, I don't normally come to this Target, so it's a little different, so I don't know where everything is, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay, I don't see the ones that I have. Let me check down another aisle. Oh, they have, really? They have a whole bunch of these white ones. And these are the ones that I originally was looking at, but I found the bigger ones. At another Target, but I might just grab some of these, maybe. Let me check down another aisle and see if they have them down. Yeah, don't look like it. Should I grab these before they go? None of them broke. I think I'm gonna grab probably yeah, so I just grabbed 2 of those because I'll see what I'm working with. If not, I'll come back and grab some more. They only $4, but I don't want to overbuy. Well, I could always use it for something else, but I really wanted those bigger ones. And I gotta return one of them because one of them was cracked. So I had to return. So I have one that I have to return. And yeah, so I have one I have to return because one of them is cracked. They have 4 left, and I was about to get all 4, but I noticed. Oh crap! I noticed one of them was cracked, so I didn't get that one. But I didn't notice the other one that was cracked until I got home. So I'm gonna return that, and I'll return that tomorrow probably. My makeup, that mask, that's what ain't gonna make up. So now I gotta tuck the makeup up. And I forgot to get my damn baby snacks. I hate going to this Target. This Target remind me of make sure I have cash because I ain't got time for people like, how much do we owe? Because you know, certain restaurants, they don't split the bill, and you sometimes, like when you go out to a group with a group of people, depending on what type of, you know, people that go, you know, you're going out with, you know, it be all type of messed up. So I'm like, I want to have cash on hand, so I'm gonna give y'all my amount. Like I'm gonna tip and everything, but I ain't doing none of all that crazy stuff. So I make sure I got me some cash. Okay. So yeah. So my food price went to like $94, but I'm gonna say $100 for that, $20 for tip, $10 for tip, depending on how good the service is. But I'm gonna go to Myers, grab the kids some snacks, and then go back to the house. Yeah, and then go back to the house. I'm trying to see. But yeah, y'all, so I'm excited to go out, eat some good food. Hopefully it's good, because I am a complainer when it comes to bad food, especially if I'm about to spend this much money. This food better be the best food I ever had, okay? Period. Okay, because we ain't doing that, okay? You ain't gonna, I got hand sanitizer on my dang on hands. Oh, that's a wipe. But we ain't about to do no bad food for $100-something, baby. You got me jacked up. I ain't the 1-203, okay? I don't mind complaining when it comes to me spending my money, okay? I've got my husband driving my car, but I ain't the one to complain. I am the one to complain, okay? Period. I'm irritating myself. But yeah, so I can't wait. I got a nail appointment, which I haven't got my nails done. I was saying 10 years. I haven't got my nails done in like a year and a half, and so I scheduled my nail appointment with my nail tech Mona. She's so dope with the nails. She's so cool with it. I miss going to her. I'm super excited, but my nail place is appointment only, and she be so booked, like she be booked out. So my appointment, I couldn't get in until October the 8th. So I'll be getting my nails done, which kind of good because my birthday is October 14th, so that's kind of good, you know. That's kind of good that it's close to my birthday. Yeah, so, which I'm not really a birthday type of person. Like, I'm not really a birthday type of person. Like, I'm just not a birthday type. Can I go this way? Yeah, but I'm not really a birthday type of person. But this year, I just want to get out with just me and my husband. Not even like on a birthday type of thing, just on a couple thing, because we need some quality time to ourselves, okay? Because we very much so. Ooh, what happened up here? Lord Jesus, do I want to go in here? The fire department up here. Now, child, what's going on? But we just deserve some us time, and both our birthdays, our birthdays are 2 days apart. Like, my birthday is October 14 and his birthday October 16. So I mean, that's good to just have us a little us time around that time, and it's our birthdays, but we both are not like big on birthdays. So I'm trying to see, where am I gonna park, because the fire department is right here. I don't know what the hell is going on, but I'm trying to park as close as I can park to the door. Hopefully I don't get locked in. But anywho, so I'm not gonna take y'all in here because I'm trying to run in and run out. And this Myers be ghetto too. This Myers remind me, girl, everything be right. Walmart, okay? This Myers I don't like going to, but it's close by. So, but everything be reminding me of Walmart. Oh, excuse me. Everything be remind me of Walmart, y'all. If it's ghetto, Walmart, okay? Kids running around, Walmart. We don't do that at Target, okay? We just don't do that at Target. Well, I'm gonna say some Target, but that other Target that we just left reminds me of a Walmart. Yo. So, all right, I'll be back. I just got out of the shower. I got my little hair thingy on, little hair thingy on. But I just got back from Ocean Prime. I forgot to record, y'all. I was having a good time, so I forgot to pull out my camera. But I got the lobster loaded mashed potatoes and the mac and cheese, surf and turf mac and cheese. I think it was what was it? Truffle. It was truffle something. Which I love the mashed potatoes. The macaroni is good. It wasn't all that though. But and I got the filet mignon, but it was tough and kind of dry. So I got a substitute for the ribeye, and I didn't eat. I just told them to pack it up for me so I could take it home. But this is kind of how it don't really look appealing now because it's packed up. This really don't look appealing at all. Like, I'm pretty sure I can make a better steak than this. But let me taste it. Yeah, I totally make a better steak than this. Like, just these 3 items was $100. But when I go there again, I'll probably go there again. I'll try something else. My boyfriend had like a chicken that looked really good. The chicken looked really good, but I'll probably go there again, probably. But I just got out the shower. My face is kind of dry. I'm gonna taste some more of this mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes good. Mashed potatoes slapping. But yeah, it was nice. My cousin had a nice birthday, so that's all that matters. The macaroni and cheese tastes, I like it. It doesn't taste bad. It actually tastes real different. Like, I like the taste of it because it do taste different than my face is dry. I ain't put no moisturizer on it, but it tastes different. You okay, Maya? Okay. Okay. God bless you. Okay. Okay, babe. Okay. So we're gonna go shopping. Girl, this is all this girl talk about, shopping. But I think I'm just gonna get the rest of this to my husband so he can try it out and see if he like it or not. We'll go there so he can try it. So I'm about to put in a grocery order so I can get some groceries in the morning. Then I'm about to go to bed. Yeah. Everybody, it's like 10:39. When I got here, everybody was asleep, but Maya giving me her breakfast order. Okay, child, she giving me her breakfast order, so she's up. I'm about to go in the dance room, check on him because I didn't check on him, and I'm tripping how the spider just came from the ceiling to the wall, to the ceiling to the counter. Like, duh. Yeah, I'm gonna clean my counter off so I can make sure I kill this fucking spider that just went wherever it went. Bye.
For my ladies, for my lady, for my sister, my quick. It's for my ladies, for my lady, for my sister, my